So spring is final here, and it's one of my favorite times of year. I had the luxury of meeting my friend Nadia a couple of years back, and she currently reached out to me and said that she started a cleaning company. So I thought, what better time to introduce her to you guys. So without further ado, here's Nadia.
Hi everyone, my name is Nadia. Recently started a cleaning company, and I wanted to show you how we focus and remove stains. We will come along and show you how ketchup can easily get into your carpet and how we can as well easily remove it. There you go. That is one of the services that we provide. We do steam cleaning, we do a thorough clean of your house. So if you need us, just give us a shout and we'll be there.
So now that you got a chance to meet Nadia, I thought I'd run a contest with you for you guys. So have a look below, and then you will be getting 4 hours of free cleaning by Nadia. So I hope all of you guys are staying safe. Talk to you guys soon.